Hello aspirants, welcome to CivilSteps YouTube channel. Some economists, including former RBI Governor C. Rangarajan, have suggested that the government should monetize the deficit. So today we will discuss what is monetization of deficit. One of the important concept for economy, that is your GS economy. Now, if the expenditure of the government exceeds its income, the government is said to have incurred a fiscal deficit. This deficit financing has to be done either by borrowing from the market or monetization of deficit through RBI. In simple words, monetization of fiscal deficit involves the financing of such extra expenses with money instead of a debt to be repaid at some future date. So it is a form of non-debt financing. As a result, under monetization, there is no increase in net public debt. It can occur only through one of the two modalities. Means there are two ways of monetization of deficit. First is direct monetization. Under this method, RBI prints new currency and purchases government bonds directly from the primary market using this currency. Second modality is indirect monetization. In this method, deficits are monetized as the government issues bonds in the primary market and the RBI purchases an equivalent amount of government bonds from the secondary market in the form of OMO, that is open market operation. Now we will look out the background of monetization of deficit in India. Monetization of deficit was in practice in India till 1907, whereby the central bank automatically monetized government deficit through the issuance of ad hoc treasury bills. In 1994 and 97, two agreements were signed between the government and the RBI to completely phase out funding through ad hoc treasury bills. Later on, with the enactment of a very famous act, that is FRBM Act, that is Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act 2003, RBI was completely barred from subscribing to the primary issuance of the government. The FRBM Act, as amended in 2017, contained an escape clause which permits monetization of deficit under special circumstances. This is about monetization of deficit, that is your fiscal deficit. Now this topic is very much important for your prelims exam as well as mains exam, and it is expected that they can ask this question in your prelims as well as mains exam. So if you like the video, subscribe to CivilSteps YouTube channel. Thank you.